Most people think testosterone is only a male hormone, but RevitalyzeMD is here to share why it's just as important for women. Welcome to the show, Dr. Deborah Durst. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Well, thank you so much for having me.
This is such an interesting topic that's constantly growing. Testosterone for women. Tell me all about it.
Well, testosterone for women is a big unknown. So basically, we haven't understood that testosterone is the most circulating hormone in a woman's body.
Wow.
So even though estrogen is the primary hormone of a woman, and it's 10 times higher than a man, it's the opposite with testosterone. So testosterone is the most circulating hormone in our bodies, but it's 10 times higher in a man. So it is something that we need to optimize and keep optimal. So how do I know
that, when it's low? That's so interesting.
So everybody thinks about sex drive with testosterone, but it's not just sex drive. You know, it can be brain fog. It can be word find. So all of a sudden they're having trouble finding words. Also just sleep, mood. It's a life force for men and for women. And so if they're just not feeling like themselves suddenly, but then sex drive can really affect that intimacy in a relationship. And so that is a big part of it. But weight gain, body composition changes as we start to get older. We're doing all the same things, but suddenly we're gaining weight and we have a middle. And so those things are sometimes testosterone related.
That is so interesting. So how do you go about treating something like that and even finding out with you guys, thinking if someone's watching, that sounds like me, you know, and go about finding you guys and treating that. That's so interesting.
Yeah, so well, testosterone is one of those that there aren't any approved products for women in the U.S. There are internationally, but not in the U.S. So again, women have been left behind when it comes to hormones and not just testosterone. But it's an important topic today because we have been left behind with testosterone. So no approved products. And so a lot of times you'll go to a regular doctor, you'll have this range of lab work, and you might be in the range, and they'll say you're normal. But that's just an arbitrary range for men and women. And it's just a basic like average or a couple deviations above or below for a woman of that age. But that isn't a range of where we want women to get them feeling better. And so a lot of times they'll be told they're normal, and that's if they even test it. Frequently they don't even test it. But there are ways that we can treat, and we can actually use a male product on a woman.
Oh, interesting.
But also you can compound. And we do a lot of pellets, which is a compounded version of it, and it's awesome. Best way to get women feeling like themselves again.
Yeah, that's incredible. And I mean, there's so many times when you do get blood work done, you go to the doctor and you just think in those moments, something is wrong with me, and especially having that intuition kind of, something's not right here. And I think a lot of people, when they think testosterone too, you know, using male products, they think, oh my gosh, am I going to get big and bulky? What do you say to those kind of myth busters?
We hear that every single day. Like, I don't feel like myself, you know, they say everything looks normal. Women know. You know, men know too, but they know when they don't feel like themselves. And so if you don't feel like yourself and you're not getting answers, then I think you keep pursuing. And so if your primary doctor doesn't give you the answers, it's not that they don't want to. We're just not traditionally trained on hormones, and definitely testosterone. So you want to seek a hormone specialist, somebody that is used to it. You know, at least get your hormones checked. So if you're talking to your doctor and everything looks normal, but you don't feel like yourself, you know what you feel like normally. And that's what we hear every single day. You know, patients are just very proactive in healthcare now. And so they know they don't feel like themselves and they want to get answers, and so they seek those solutions. But a hormone specialist would help guide you through those unknowns, like hormones overall in women, but also testosterone.
That is beautiful. And I love what you said there, being an advocate for yourself as a patient. And you guys are certainly patient advocates yourself too. Tell people where they can find you guys, set up an appointment, and get to having those conversations, because this is so incredibly important.
Yeah, and so basically I think that if anyone is seeing their primary doctor, a gynecologist, a urologist, they have some symptoms, they don't feel like themselves, and they haven't had their hormones checked, or they've had them checked and been told that they were normal, but they don't feel normal or like themselves, to seek a hormone specialist. And then, of course, we see hormones. We've seen hormones in patients for 7 years and women for 7 years, so it's not a question we haven't heard.
Yeah.
So coming to our office and setting up a consult would be great. We have an active YouTube channel with lots of information for women and hormones, men and hormones, and it does have a lot of stuff related to sexual wellness and intimacy and relationships. So they need to be prepared for that when they go to the YouTube channel. But again, we're opening conversations that are normally taboo. And those conversations are being sought, by patients. They love it. So
well, thank you guys so much for what you bring right here to East Tennessee. Definitely go over to their website and visit them today.